guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kimmy Cat here. Today I'll show you how I make my coconut shrimp, fried coconut shrimp. And in case you haven't noticed yet, I love shrimp. I'm a seafood lover. I used to be a pescatarian. I still have a pescatarian diet, although I do eat chicken and other meat sometimes, but I'm more of a pescatarian than anything else. So here I have about a kilo and a half of shrimp that I would need to peel and devein and also cut into a butterfly cut. So it will take a while for me. This is a lot of shrimp here, you guys. And also for the we're gonna keep this simple, the seasoning. We're gonna keep this real simple. We're gonna have salt, pepper, chicken powder, chicken bouillon. If you guys wanna add, you can also add some. If you guys wanna add, you could also add some Old Bay seasoning, and that's your preference, you guys. Old Bay seasoning goes so well with shrimp or any seafood in particular. Also, we're gonna need our wet batter. So we're gonna need about 1.5 cups of flour. And here, you guys, I have a cup of coconut milk here. That's gonna add a lot of flavor into your wet batter, and you're also gonna need an egg to that, and also your desiccated coconut. Okay, so you can use sweetened or unsweetened desiccated coconut. It is up to you guys, but I would prefer using semi-sweet or unsweetened coconut, desiccated coconut, as frying will usually burn sugar if it's too much. If you happen to buy like desiccated coconut that's unsweetened, you can always add a little bit of sugar, about a tablespoon of sugar, into about 100 grams of desiccated coconut. So without further ado, guys, we're gonna start, and I'm gonna fast forward this because it's gonna take a long time for me to peel all of this. Okay, you guys, so I have deveined, peeled, and washed my shrimp. It's time for me to start coating them. So here, okay, wait, actually we're gonna start with the wet batter. This is just where you drench your shrimp before you put them or you dip them into your wet batter, just so that the wet batter can stick onto your shrimp so much better. So here I have about a cup and a half of flour, and then to that I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of salt, some Old Bay seasoning, some chicken bouillon powder, and some black pepper. And you could just skip the Old Bay seasoning. It's gonna be just as good. Okay. So we're gonna add our coconut milk. This is about a cup of coconut milk. The black pepper always gets me. And an egg. So we're just gonna whisk this. I may need to add a bit more water. I have underestimated the power of the coconut cream, so I think I'll add about half a cup of water. Alright, that should do it. Mix thoroughly. Oh, it smells wonderful. Okay, so now what you want to do is sprinkle some salt onto your shrimp and just rub it gently. And put some shrimp. Oh my god. We're a little messy here today, huh? Okay, so I forgot to put my coconut. Okay, so here's our station, our working station. Okay, so get your shrimp. Put it into your flour. So the fastest way to make this is just do it like maybe 5, 6 at a time. Shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. Okay. Just so much easier if you grab them by the tail. Make good use of those tails, guys. Okay, so now we're gonna dip it like this. And into your coconut, desiccated coconut. And ta-da! Why is it not focusing? There you go. There you go. So repeat the process until you get all of the shrimp coated. Okay guys, so we're just gonna start frying these at 340 degrees Fahrenheit or 70 degrees Celsius or medium-low heat. Okay, so I have tested the the oil, sprinkled some flour. So we're just gonna start frying these. Deep frying these for about until they're golden brown for about 2 minutes. Try not to overcrowd your deep fryer or your wherever you're frying your stuff, because you don't want the oil temperature to go down. So while I'm waiting for that, I'm gonna continue on dipping or coating the rest of the shrimp. Okay guys, so here's your coconut shrimp. Coconut shrimp, I think it's what it's called. So here's a taste test. First bite, you guys. Look how delicious that is. Whatever. Mmm. Mmm. It's so coconutty. Coconutty.